Hey there, button warriors! Are you tired of playing a guessing game with a button size and fonts? Don't worry, I have got your back. Today we are diving into the perfect pairings of buttons height and font size, so you can stop stressing and start designing like a pro. Let's go! Alright, here's the holy grail of the button size and font pairing. Remember, this is the suggestion or the starting points for your design, and everything depends on your design. XL buttons, 48 pixel scales with a 60 pixel font size, perfect for primary actions. You know, those click me, I'm important moments. Large buttons, 40 pixels height and 16 font size. Those are your workhorses for functionality actions like navigations or sections highlight. Medium buttons, 32 pixels height with a 14 pixels font size. Great for products focus actions, strong but not overpowering. Small buttons, 28 pixels height pairing with a 14 pixels font size. Versatility for those page leveling actions. Extra small buttons, 24 pixels height with a 12 pixels font size. Those are your MVP for small tasks like filters or secondary actions. Yes, even the smallest buttons deserve to look sharp. And here as a little secret, buttons weight. Totally content depends, so don't swear it. Focus on making your buttons clear, clickable, and comfortable for users. Just avoid making them so tiny that even ants would struggle to click. Bonus tip: make sure your buttons meet accessibility standards. Bigger buttons and readability font size aren't just for the style, they are for everyone, because what good is a button if no one can use it? Remember that Darren Ram says, good design is a little design as possible. But when it comes to a button, good design is the right size and font pairing. So there you have it, button size, font pairings, and a stress-free guide to mastering your UI. Hit the like button, which I hope is properly sized. Subscribe for more design hacks and drop your button nightmares in the comments below. I'm Przemysław, see you in the next video. Let's loud through the house together. Take care, until next time.